Today we will discuss classification of salt. Classification of salt. First one, acid salt. Now salt which contain replaceable hydrogen, that is acid salt. That means all the replaceable hydrogen of a acid, when not completely replaced by that metal ion, then we get that acid salt. For example, see H2SO4 plus NaOH, NaHSO4 plus water. So that one acid salt, because out of two replaceable hydrogen, only one replaced by sodium. So that acid salt contain replaceable hydrogen. So acid salt always contain replaceable hydrogen. So that sodium bisulfate or sodium hydrogen sulfate, example of acid salt. Next one, normal salt. Now normal salt does not contain any replaceable hydrogen. When all the replaceable hydrogen of an acid replaced by that metal, then we get normal salt. For example, Na2SO4, NaCl, all these are normal salt. They does not contain any replaceable hydrogen, normal salt. Next one, basic salt. They contain replaceable hydroxide, OH minus. See, Zn, OH, Cl, or Zn, OH, NO3, all these are basic salt. Next one, double salt. Now in double salt, that two salt that combine along with water of crystallization. Double salt retain their structure in solid state but dissociate into constituent ion in aqueous solution. Now example C, now alum. Alum again three different type. First one, general alum or white alum. Now K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 whole 3 dot 24 water, that is white alum or general alum. Second one, now ferric alum. Red color, ferric alum. Now K2SO4 dot Fe2SO4 whole 3 dot 24 water. Third one, chromic alum or chrome alum, green color. K2SO4 dot Cr2SO4 whole 3 dot 24 water. That white alum that we use for water purification, that sedimentation process, to that facilitate that sedimentation process, that white alum. Ferric alum, chrome alum. Other few double salts, see, now more salt. Now FeSO4 ammonium sulfate dot 6H2O. Now that structure only retained in solid state. In aqueous solution, what happened? Aqueous solution, it dissociate into say Fe2 plus, SO4 2 minus, NH4 plus, and that H plus OH minus. They dissociate into constituent ion. They cannot retain their structure in aqueous state. Complex salt. Now complex salt is stable, it can retain its structure in aqueous solution. Now in complex salt there is two part, one coordination zone, another one ionization zone. Inside that third bracket, that one coordination zone, they remain intact. only ionization zone, that part dissociate in aqueous solution. For example, see tetraamine copper sulfate, tetraamine copper sulfate, tetraamine, actually copper 2, we have to mention its oxidation state, copper 2 sulfate, tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. That is example of complex salt. Now within that third bucket, that is coordination zone, and this one ionization zone. Now in coordination zone there is two parts, copper central metal, and that ammonia, these are called ligand, LIGAND, ligand. They form coordinate bond. Ammonia, nitrogen contain that lone pair, so it donates its lone pair to the vacant orbital of that copper, vacant d orbital of copper. So in that way it form coordinate bond. So another name of complex compound is coordination compound. Now these 4 ammonia molecule, it form 4 coordinate bond with that copper. Now that number of ligand, that indication that indicate coordination number. So here 4 ammonia, so coordination number 4. That number of ligand present in the that coordination zone, that indicates its coordination number, and coordination number, it is also called secondary valency. Secondary valency. And outside that third bucket, that one is primary valency, ionization zone, that indicates primary valency. Now sulfate is that valency key 2 minus, so its primary valency of this complex is 2 and secondary valency is 4. Now how complex dissociate in that aqueous solution? That coordination zone that remain intact. So this part will remain intact, only that ionization zone that dissociate. Next one, mixed salt. Now mixed salt contain 2 cation or 2 anion, either 2 cation or 2 anion, that is mixed salt. For example, see सोडियम पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट कंटेन की 2 कैटायन, contain 2 cation, another bleaching powder CaOClCl contain 2 anion. So if any salt contain 2 cation or 2 anion, then it is called mixed salt. So that is the classification of that salt. Try to remember this example, mainly that formula of double salt, very important. And in class 12, that complex, that coordination compound separate chapter. So many things involved in that coordination compound. Their IPSC nomenclature, their isomerism, their structure, color, magnetic property, many things involved. In class 12, we will learn this. Okay. So today, this much.